In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to record cashback rewards in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing your personal finances or keeping track of business accounts, recording cashback accurately is an important part of maintaining clean and reliable financial records. These rewards might seem small on their own, but they add up over time, and tracking them properly keeps your books consistent. Let's get started and go through the process step by step. Begin by signing into your QuickBooks Online account. Click the Sign In button to open the login page, then enter your username and password. Once you select Continue, QuickBooks will take you straight to your main dashboard. Here, you'll access all the tools you need to manage your financial activity. Next, head over to the Transaction section. You'll find this option in the menu on the left side of your screen. This area organizes every financial movement linked to your accounts, so it's the perfect place to begin setting up the record for your cashback rewards. After that, navigate to the Chart of Accounts. This list includes every account category used within your QuickBooks system. The Chart of Accounts is where you'll create a dedicated account to store and track your cashback earnings. Creating this separate account helps you avoid mixing these rewards with your regular expenses or revenue, which keeps your reporting clear and easy to review. Once you're inside the Chart of Accounts, click the New button. A setup window will appear, and this is where you'll enter the details for your cashback rewards account. For the account name, type Credit Card Rewards. Using a simple and direct name ensures you'll recognize it right away when reviewing your accounts or running reports. Now choose the account type. Select Income, since cashback rewards function as money earned back from your spending. Categorizing them as income keeps your financial statements accurate and aligned with standard bookkeeping practices. Next, select the detail type. Choose discounts or refunds given. This is the most appropriate category because cashback works as a form of savings or reduction on previous purchases. After entering the account name and selecting the correct types, review the information briefly to ensure everything is correct. Once you're confident the setup looks good, click Save QuickBooks will now add your new cashback rewards account to the Chart of Accounts, and anytime you receive cashback, you can record it directly into this income category. This makes it easy to track how much you've earned over time and helps you maintain accurate financial visibility. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully set up and recorded cashback rewards in QuickBooks Online. By keeping these rewards organized in their own account, you'll have a clearer picture of your true spending and savings. This simple step supports better planning, cleaner bookkeeping, and more accurate financial analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon with more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.